Hello, dear students. This is your fifth practical of software testing. In this practical, you need to perform manual testing on railway reservation system. So for this practical, I'm going to use IRCTC app. Before proceed, you need to install the IRCTC app in your mobile. Sign up with your valid credentials and log in properly. Okay. So after that, I have prepared the test cases for the railway reservation system. The scenario one is train search. Here, what is our first test case? We need to we need to go on option plan my journey. Okay, you need to insert a train source code or station source code or destination code, or you can directly enter their station code or station code, and you need to check whether it will show trains between them or not. It will displaying or not, you need to check it. Okay, so check it first. So for this I am going to use IRCTC app. I am already logged in with IRCTC. So now I am going to check whether it is showing or not. So go to plan my journey option. So here I have already selected journey from BSR. I have already insert a station code, that is BSR, and for Surat, so it is I have used ST. So now select a date. Suppose I have taken 25th July 25th July for tomorrow. So I am searching a train. Okay, so while click on search train option, it will show the different trains which are available on 24th. It will show me the list of that train. Okay, so by using station code or by using station name, it will show me the uh, trains between the that particular stations. Okay, for that particular date. So here in bug report you need to specify that. So what is my first test case is regarding first and second test case regarding to the train search object. Here the test description: check whether the corresponding trains are displaying or not. What are the steps we need to perform? Go to plan my journey option, then enter source and destination, destination station code or station name. Okay, so you need to insert the source station name and destination station name, and then you need to select the date, and after that you need to click on search train option. Then it will show you the trains available for that particular date. Okay, so here what is my test data? So first I have selected, here I am already use the source station code is BSR and destination is MAD means Madgaon. Okay, it is a station code of Madgaon. Okay, so after selecting this source and destination station code, after clicking after selecting a particular date, when I am try to search trains between them, so my expected result, it will show the train list after click on that particular search train option. So after passing this test data, when I am pressing the search train option, it will actually showing me the list between the station on that particular date. So my expected result and actual result is matched. That's why my test case is pass. Now I am again passing the different test data for that, for the particular test case. Here I am inserting the source and destination station code same, means I am using source code is BSR and destination code also BSR. So what is your expected result? It will show error because source and destination cannot be same. Okay, so it must show the error for the same source and destination code. It is my expected result. Now I am going to check whether it will show error or not. So here from where it is the source destination code, that is BSR. So now I am selecting destination as a BSR. So I am selecting here BSR Vasai Road. So what error it shows? Source and destination station cannot be the same. Okay. So the actual result is it shows error for the same source and destination code. So here my expected result and actual result is match. So that's why this test case also passed. Okay. So you need to apply remaining test cases on IRCTC application and log your test cases below this first test case. Update this Excel sheet and forward me on my personal WhatsApp number and in personal chat. Okay. So this is it with this practical number 5. Thank you.